Hi guys, this is Anagha. Today I'll be reviewing the Oxy-Infusion face serum from Kaya Youth. So let's get started. This face serum has been specially designed by expert dermatologists for all skin types. If you're suffering from dark spots, dullness, dryness, uneven skin tone and dark patches, then this is the product for you. It boosts oxygen in your skin to give you healthy and radiant skin. Its non-oily and lightweight formula also absorbs greatly into the skin. This face serum from Kaya has a microcirculation complex that gives your skin a radiance by boosting the oxygen supply to your skin cells. It also has vitamin E, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Overall, this face serum is your one-stop solution to get rid of dullness and darkness caused by dead skin cells while giving your skin the youthful radiance it deserves. To use this serum, first cleanse and tone your face. Take a few drops of the serum on your fingertips and apply it in outward and upward strokes. Massage the face gently and wait till the serum absorbs. It can be used before applying any cream or makeup or even standalone. Use it twice a day to see the best results. All in all, this face serum is a great addition to your skincare routine and your skin will definitely love the results. So make sure to try it out.